Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Seaflo Diaphragm Pump. This pump is going to provide a consistent, high volume flow of fresh water for up to 2 fixtures in your boat or RV. It uses a variable flow technology that's going to help provide the amount of water that you need without cycling. So when the faucet is opened, the built-in pressure switch starts the pump, and when you close the faucet, it stops the pump again. This does feature a 3-chamber diaphragm that provides up to 3 gallons per minute of flow at 45 pounds per square inch of pressure. So it's going to be pretty much the exact same, if not maybe even a little bit higher than your home's faucet. So it should feel exactly like what you get at home, so you won't see any pressure decrease or anything like that. This is a self-priming design that's going to help remove the air from the pipeline to eliminate your air binding, the spluttering that you sometimes get if there's too much air in your line. This unit is capable of a 6-foot lift, so if you want to have it underneath your sink or maybe even somewhere lower, as long as it's within 6 feet of your faucet, it should do a good job. The hose barbs on each end are going to attach to your 1/2-inch tubing, and that's 1/2-inch inner diameter tubing. As far as getting this installed, it's going to be a bolt-on installation. You can bolt it in any position. Just if you are mounting this in the vertical position, you do want to make sure that your motor is over top the water so that you don't have any chance of water leaking into your electric components there. So you can mount it in just about any position you want. The hardware to get it mounted is not included. You will have to provide that separately. But when you're thinking about where you want to mount this, you'll obviously need to know how much space it's going to take up. So this is right at, I'm going to call it 8 inches long by, when we have all of our attachments on here, it's right at 10.5 inches to my measurement. Right at 10.5. And then tallest part here is right about 5 inches tall. Our mounting dimensions, our holes here, they are from center to center, right about 3 1/4. Let's call that one is about 2 7/8. And then from side to side, it's about 3 1/4. So not quite square, but pretty close. You can see these do have semi-rigid rubber feet. So when you are installing these, you don't want to compress those too much. Those are intended to help absorb some excess vibration and noise. So keep that expanded so that it will absorb that vibration. And this will work with your 12-volt DC power on either your RV or boat. It's only going to draw about 8 amps maximum power draw, so it should do a good job for you. Won't take up too much. The enclosed housing has a sealed switches to make sure that any moisture is not going to get in there. But again, you do want to take extra precautions when you're mounting this, just to make sure water and electricity don't mix. So you want to make sure that you're mounting it in the correct orientation. The maximum water temperature that this can withstand is 140 degrees Fahrenheit, which is actually 20 degrees warmer than the Consumer Product Safety Commission recommends setting your water heater. So it should be plenty for warm water if you're wanting to have nice warm water. It does come with a 4-year limited warranty. So if you were to have any problems with it, you could give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out with that. We always want to make sure that our customers are having a good experience and getting good quality products. And I think this is going to be a good quality pump for you. If you're needing a diaphragm pump, I'd say this is going to be good. Now, keep in mind, this is only up to 2 fixtures. So if you are needing more, there are some other diaphragm pumps that we have here that will help to increase that capacity. So if you're needing a larger system, I'd encourage you to take a look at some of those. But if you're only needing the 2, I'd say this is going to be a great option for you. That's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.